Morning fellas, Ben back again with the Sherpa. The Sherpa has undergone some nice surgery. The rear end is changed now. It's a rally cowl. Dear Mr. Shivakumar, a good friend from Royal Enfield, he works with Royal Enfield. He got the rally cowl for himself and decided to change his mind and not put it on his motorcycle. His motorcycle looks amazing, literally amazing. I will share a clip of his motorcycle here for you guys to see and enjoy, because that thing is something else. It's an all black, beautiful machine. So he retained the stock rear end and he painted the whole thing black, and that was just amazing, mind-boggling, beautiful motorcycle. And so he did not fit this on his bike, gave it to me, and I threw it on the Sherpa with the rally seat, the rally cowl, this, and I chopped off the front fender just to make it even more rally looking. With all these things, this bike just looks spectacular, doesn't it? Came to fill up fuel and thought, why not just make a video on this right here, because it looks spectacular. The thing with the rally cowl is it's simple, it's pretty easy. You can put this on by yourselves as long as you have some mechanical prowess. If you've gone about doing things DIY, fellas, you guys can definitely do it. No big deal. Will take some time, about an hour and a half if you go slow and you're very careful not to hurry things. Pretty self-explanatory. I will attach the the instruction manual for fitting the rally cowl in the description of this video. You guys can go and download that and use that to put this on by yourselves. Another thing, a big confusion, people asking me whether you can throw the rear rack on the rally cowl, and there you go. It's a straight fit, a straight swap. It works with the rally cowl without any issues and looks the part too. Seamless, if you ask me. It's just beautiful. The rally cowl has been designed keeping the rear rack in mind, not without it. I would want the rear rack, is because I got this bike predominantly to travel, and if I were to take this off and put everything on here, the chances of things being staying put, I kind of doubt it, and hence I thought to myself that I'll retain the rear rack, and this turns out to be amazing looking. I mean, absolutely no problems. If you were to look at it from the rear, no problems, no problems, no problems. From the top, absolutely seamless design. Everything works. Love the rally seat. The rally seat has this beautiful seat cover, this texture. This texture is just the right amount of friction and also allows you to glide. And you find this on most of the modern rally adventure machines, this kind of a texture. I mean, emulates texture, emulates leather, but really cool leather, and really cool texture. And I love the embossed Royal Enfield logo and the Himalayan branding. There's also one over here, super cool looking. Any which way, so the end, and another game changer. The most beautiful thing about the rally is the rear end. The Himalayan stock with the wide mudguard and the indicators, big wide indicators sticking out too much, was always an ugly sight for my eyes. And this has kind of just completely changed it. Super narrow, gets the indicators close to each other and looks the part. Man, just look at the rear end. So aggressive and clean looking. Super sharp. More like a tail tidy business going on. And so, yeah, in the end, this turned out to be something really amazing. This is how the motorcycle was supposed to come from the factory. Whoa, another thing. The middle panel, the little tiny panel in between the tank and the rear cowl, I painted it gloss black too, just to go with the rally cowl. The rally cowl comes with a sticker over here, which is white and has rally written on it, but this doesn't, because Mr. Shivakumar decided to throw in a PPF wrap on this, a gloss black wrap on this, and thanks to him, just look at the way this motorcycle looks, ass-kickingly good. So that's that. I can confidently say that this is one of the best looking adventure motorcycles out there in the market. Just unbelievably beautiful. So the bike is almost done. It's almost complete. I might get myself a nice new metal aluminum tail rack to go on top of this. Again, which will follow the contours of the motorcycle, the rear end, not something square or wide, but something that will flow along with that. The front tower is fantastic. This does the GPS, this does the recording, the front and the rear cam. The rear cam, I had to move the position. I put it over here on the mud guard, the little tiny mud guard, and the front cam sits over here. The front and the rear cam are from this device. This device is called OCCI, AOOCCI C5 Pro. So that was that. That was the Rally Cowl. The Rally seat is amazing to sit on. It is how it was supposed to be from the manufacturer, and you're sitting and sliding on it comfortably. And it's a super firm seat, much better for the pillion as well. If you ask me, I had my wife sit on it yesterday and she says she likes this way better because it's a lot more contoured. She has enough room to put her legs on both the sides and feel comfortable. So that was that. That was the Rally seat. This is how it was supposed to be from the factory. Make up your minds to go get yourselves the Rally Cowl. Just go ahead, fellas. Completes the motorcycle. Looks amazing. Yes, it is expensive. Yes, it is. It's a little bit of a work to put it on the motorcycle, but who cares? It's well worth the money. If you truly ask me, that is how this bike was supposed to look like from the beginning, from the factory. Like with the Rally Cowl. It's a much more complete look. The 450 is as versatile as it gets. So anybody who's gotten the 450, I highly doubt it that you will be changing it anytime soon for anything else in the market. The KTM 390 almost here, but I strongly believe that this will hold on its own against any competitor. Because that is what the 450 can do. It can do rally and it can also comfortably cruise. Like the weight, the rear tire, the suspension, the geometry, everything says that this motorcycle is meant to stay put on the roads. If this helped in any which way, make up your minds. Go ahead, put your money on the Rally Cowl. I shall see you again. Ciao.